So the other day I was getting my oxygen and acetylene tanks exchanged. They had been empty for a while, and I realized that I never was completely satisfied with how well these chintzy little chains held the tanks in place. And for safety reasons and just because I want to, I'm going to replace these chains with some real nice tank holder clamps, for lack of the better term. So I'm off to the store, going to go buy some stuff, and we'll get started on a little upgrade project. See you in a bit. Alrighty then. I've got some steel plate from Industrial Metal Supply, a couple 3-foot by 1/2 inch black pipe nipples, gotta love that term, a couple end caps, those are from Home Depot. I've got my clamps from my bottle clamps from Airgas, and I've got this chunk of bed frame that I might cut up and use for some reinforcement. So what the plan is, I'm going to take that 1/2 inch pipe, put it into these holes down here at the base, bring them up through these triangular gaps here, weld them into place, maybe provide some cross bracing with this this L profile, and then we'll cut to size and mount the steel plate, probably pre-drill it, get those bolted on, and then get the tanks in place. That's the plan anyway. Let's see how well it goes. Well, it's finished. Certainly better than it was. Guess that's it for today. Hope you like the video.